Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some amazing southern potato salad. Alright, this is great for the summer, cookout, Thanksgiving, or just whenever you feel like eating a great bowl of potato salad. So I have the recipe here, so let's jump right into this video. So here I have 4 potatoes that I'm going to be peeling. We are going to wash these, dice these up, and add to a pot of water. You can boil this in stock or just simply add some salt, and I'm just adding some bouillon to mine. Boil until it is pork tender, not mushy. We're going to strain that. Now we are going to make the base, and this is what brings this potato salad together, guys. And I'm using Dukes Mayonnaise. That is my favorite. You can use any mayonnaise of your choice. We're going to add some yellow mustard and of course some Dejon. Why not? Then go in with some sugar, black pepper. I'm not going to add any salt here because the potatoes actually boiled with the bouillon. I'm adding some sweet relish in salad cubes, some smoked paprika, and we are going to mix well. Now here you can adjust the seasoning to your likeness and taste. So we're going to mix everything here well. Then we're going to add our boiled eggs. Make sure it's really well combined. We're going in with half of the potatoes we boiled. This tastes absolutely amazing. Actually, I didn't add any salt, guys, to this. Then you're going to add the rest of the potatoes, paprika, add the rest of the boiled eggs on top. And there it is, guys. Please subscribe for more amazing recipes. Love you guys. Bye-bye.